Hi, this is Tom from Flaneer, just to give you some best practices when taking snapshots of your environment. So there are tutorials available on how to take a snapshot. You can just come in here and create environment and then follow the dialogues that come up after that. But this is just some best practices. So I've just downloaded 7-zip here, which is a great extraction program, and I'm installing that. And I want to create an environment with 7-zip in it. But the first thing that I need to do before I'm ready to take my snapshot is I need to clear my browsing history. I don't want anyone using this environment in future to have that in there. The other thing to do is if I've signed into my Google account here or any other accounts for that matter, I want to sign out so that again, whoever's using my template is going to have a clean environment to come into. The final thing I think that I want to do as well is I just want to go into my downloads, delete anything, and also remember to empty the recycle bin. Okay, so now this machine is all ready. I can hit create environment here, and I'm ready to snapshot.